Becoming a millionaire by May 30th seemed like a dream for many, but with the right strategies, mindset, and discipline, it's entirely possible. The path to wealth isn't about luck. It's about making smart financial moves, working hard, and seizing opportunities. In this guide, we will uncover the untold secrets to building wealth before hitting 30. Part 1. Developing a millionaire mindset. The foundation becoming a millionaire begins in your mind. Your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes toward money play a critical role in shaping your financial destiny. To truly adopt a millionaire's mindset, consider the following in detail. 1. Embrace financial education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Millionaires are avid learners, always seeking to understand how to make their money work for them. Dive into books, podcasts, and courses about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Explore topics like compounding interest, retirement planning, and asset diversification. The more you educate yourself, the more empowered you'll feel to make smart decisions about your finances. Actionable tip: set a goal to read at least one book a month about money management or entrepreneurship. Some excellent choices include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. 2. Think long term. Patience is a virtue in wealth building. Avoid succumbing to the temptation of instant gratification, such as spending on short-term luxuries. Instead, channel your resources into investments that will grow over time. Develop a habit of visualizing your financial future. Where do you see yourself in 5, 10, or 20 years? This clarity will help you prioritize actions that align with your goals. Example: imagine skipping a daily $5 coffee habit and investing that $150 a month in an index fund with an annual return of 8%. Over 10 years, that small sacrifice could grow into nearly $25,000. 3. Take calculated risks. True wealth isn't built by playing it safe all the time. Millionaires understand the importance of taking calculated risks to achieve significant rewards. This might mean starting a business, investing in real estate, or venturing into the stock market. The key is to conduct thorough research, weigh the potential outcomes, and ensure the risks are worth the rewards. Pro tip: before taking a leap, create a contingency plan. For example, if starting a business, have an emergency fund that covers your personal expenses for at least 6 months. 4. Be adaptable. The financial world is dynamic, constantly shaped by new technologies, markets, and trends. Millionaires are flexible and ready to pivot when opportunities arise. This requires keeping an open mind, staying curious, and constantly reevaluating your strategies. Real-life case study. Consider Jeff Bezos, who started Amazon as an online bookstore. He adapted to the growing e-commerce market and transformed Amazon into a global retail and technology giant. Embracing change was key to his success. 5. Cultivate a growth-oriented attitude. Belief in your ability to learn and improve is a hallmark of successful individuals. Instead of dwelling on failures or challenges, view them as opportunities for growth. A positive mindset fuels resilience and creativity, both of which are essential for wealth building. Daily habit. Begin each day with affirmations that reinforce your belief in financial success. For example, I am capable of achieving my financial goals, or my hard work and smart decisions will lead to wealth. Part 2. Mastering high-income skills. The modern economy rewards individuals with specialized, high-demand skills. To accelerate your path to wealth, focus on mastering skills that provide significant financial returns and independence. Let's explore these in detail. 1. Sales and negotiation. The ability to sell is a game changer. Whether you're pitching a product, negotiating a salary, or convincing investors, mastering persuasion is key to achieving financial success. Sales skills are universal. They empower you in any career or business venture. Pro tip: join a sales-focused workshop or practice through role-playing scenarios. Understand the psychology of buyers to tailor your approach for better results. 2. Digital marketing. In today's digital-first world, businesses thrive on effective online marketing. Learning to craft compelling campaigns, analyze audience data, and optimize conversions can open up lucrative freelance or business opportunities. Action plan. Take courses on platforms like HubSpot or Google Digital Garage. Practice by creating and managing mock campaigns. 3. Investing and trading. Wealth grows when your money works for you. Learn the principles of stock market investing, real estate acquisitions, or even cryptocurrency trading. However, ensure you research and understand the risks involved to avoid losses. Tool suggestion: use beginner-friendly apps like Robinhood or Coinbase to explore investments. Start small to build confidence and expertise. 4. Technology and coding. High-tech industries are booming, offering immense earning potential for those skilled in software development, data analysis, or AI. Platforms like GitHub, Code Academy, and Coursera are ideal for building your technical skill set. Example: an app developer might earn substantial revenue from creating a popular application, either through sales or ad-generated income. Part 3. Creating multiple streams of income income. The wealthiest individuals rarely rely on one source of earnings. Diversifying your income protects against financial risks and accelerates wealth building. Here's how you can get started. 1. Active income. This refers to earning from your primary job or business while building additional streams. Maximize your active income by excelling in your role, pursuing promotions, or transitioning to higher paying industries. 2. Passive income. Investments that generate consistent income, like real estate rentals, dividend paying stocks, or royalties from creative work, can provide stability. Example, create an online course on a platform like Udemy or Skillshare to earn royalties over time. 3. Side hustles. Exploring part-time ventures such as freelancing, starting an e-commerce store, or offering consulting services can boost your cash flow. Choose hustles aligned with your skills or interests. Part 4. The power of saving and investing. 1. Live below your means. Focus on necessities and reduce discretionary expenses. Living frugally in your early years creates more room for savings and investments. 2. Invest early and consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest. Make monthly contributions, no matter how small. Investing $100 a month at an 8% annual return from age 20 to 30 grows to over $150,000 by age 60, even if you stop adding money after 30. 3. Build an emergency fund. Have at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved to avoid borrowing during financial difficulties. This fund acts as a buffer for unexpected life events. 4. Leverage tax benefits. Minimize your tax burden by utilizing retirement accounts, deductions, and tax-saving investment options. Work with a financial advisor to optimize your plan. Part 5. Leveraging entrepreneurship and networking. Entrepreneurship is one of the fastest routes to wealth. Combined with effective networking, it opens up immense opportunities. Here's how to make the most of it. 1. Start a scalable business. Focus on ideas that solve problems and have growth potential. Scalability means you can serve more customers without drastically increasing costs. 2. Network with like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with driven, successful people fosters growth. Attend industry events, join local entrepreneur groups, and build meaningful relationships. 3. Find mentors. Learn from experienced individuals who have already achieved financial success. Their insights can save you from common pitfalls. 4. Think big. Set ambitious goals for your entrepreneurial ventures. Scaling businesses with a global impact typically leads to substantial wealth. Part 6. Mastering time management and productivity. Time is the ultimate non-renewable resource. Maximizing it is crucial for wealth building. Let's explore. 1. Prioritize high-impact activities. Identify tasks that produce the most significant financial or personal value and focus on them first. Use tools like the Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize. 2. Eliminate distractions. Cut back on non-essential activities that waste your time. This includes excessive social media use, binge watching, or endless scrolling. 3. Set clear goals. Break your financial targets into smaller, actionable steps. Review progress regularly to stay on track. Conclusion: becoming a millionaire by 30 isn't just about working hard. It's about working smart. By developing the right mindset, acquiring high-income skills, diversifying income, managing money wisely, and leveraging entrepreneurship, you can achieve financial freedom. The road to wealth requires discipline, patience, and the courage to take action.